from NK Global Financial Services. Hi Kapil, good morning and good to be speaking with you. And Kapil, just after yesterday, we are seeing once again a U-turn for the markets because Nifty as well as Nifty Bank reeling under pressure, and we have also broken below that 24,500 mark as well. Do you believe there could be some more selling pressure from these levels for both the indices?
There can be a good possibility about it. So let's say yesterday, yes, we have seen a kind of a strong rebound on the high side, but it was not able to breach the day before yesterday's high level. So we wait for some sort of a pivot level to get cross on the high side to make the positive stance, and that level comes at a 24,750 level. So unless and until the market is below the 24,750 level, we maintain our bearish stance and breach below the 24,500 level. So that is the first negative development that we are seeing, and more sustainability below this level can drag the index towards its potential support level, which lies around the 24,000 to 23,800 level. So for the August month series, we are expecting such levels to test it.
All right, so that's about the benchmark indices. But Kapil, one stock that is doing really well, and even we were chatting with the management a while back, is actually Titan. Really a strong show, and the stock is holding on to the gains of over 1.5% as we speak right now. What's your take on Titan? Because the stock has already seen its share of selling and a good rebound from the lower levels. But do you believe the stock has more headroom to move higher from these levels?
That can be a possibility because stock that we are seeing, it has corrected quite well. Means broader structure has been remain a sideways to positive, and intermediate correction from, let's say, 3,750 to all the way 3,300 given a kind of a good cushion. And the recent bottom around 3,300 is hovering around the support level, and from the support level we are seeing some sorts of a follow-up move and higher high sequences getting formed on the daily chart. So there is some sort of positivity in this lackluster market or in this weak market that we are seeing. So I see technically that as far as this stocks is above the 3370 level, the positive momentum will continue in this particular stocks. Right now it is trading at a mild holder in a 3485 level, but the sustainability above this particular point can give the further headroom on the higher side, and the upside potential ultimately can be around 3575. So in a broader sense, the stocks looks good above the 3375.
That's about Titan. Let's watch out for that. That stock is moving higher and holding on to good gains right now. But one of the other stocks that we really flagged off in the morning is actually Cummins India. And on the strong show in the morning itself, both our experts, the fundamental as well as the technical expert, used to be liking this particular counter. If we can pull up the intraday chart for Cummins India, we can definitely see the move on an intraday basis. What I see is the stock is holding on to the gains of almost 3% right now. And Kapil, I believe that this indeed a strong move, and this is actually a breakout of this particular stock as well as it moves past that 3,600 mark for itself. What's your view? How much more up move are we in to see in this counter? And if anybody is already riding this uptrend, would you advise for profit booking?
Yes, means in a capital goods sector, I think Cummins Industries is the one of the stock which has remained quite stronger one. If you look at the other counterparts like ABB, Siemens, and these all things, they have been quite laggard stocks, but Cummins has retained a very good strength. And today we have been seeing that 3,600 level was acting as a stiff resistance from past 2 weeks, but today it has given a breakout about that particular point, and this is a good move that we are seeing. Upside potential right now, the stock is at a 3,800 level. It is getting near to its next best resistance level, which is placed at a 3,900 level. So yes, there can be the 100 rupee further upside room is there, but around the 3,900 level, who has been bought that stock and riding the trend around the 3,900, it is good to book the at least a partial profit.
All right, so a partial profit booking advice coming in on Cummins India right now, but indeed a very strong move. But Kapil, with this, we'd like to thank you, and it's now time to slip into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more on the other side.